how to connect WPForms to Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Install and activate the WPForms plugin on your WordPress site. If you haven't already, go to the Plugins section, search for WPForms and install it. Once activated, navigate to WPForms in your WordPress dashboard. 2. Install the Mailchimp add-on for WPForms. Go to WPForms, Add-ons, and find the Mailchimp add-on. Click Install Add-on and activate it to connect Mailchimp to WPForms. 3. Go to WPForms, Settings, and navigate to the Integrations tab. Find Mailchimp and click Add New Account. You will need to enter your Mailchimp API key to establish a connection. 4. Create a new form by clicking on WPForms. Add New. Select a pre-built form template, or start from scratch. Add necessary fields like name, email, and any custom fields you want to collect. 5. Configure the Mailchimp settings for your form. Under Marketing in WPForms settings, select Mailchimp and choose the audience list where you want subscribers to be added. 6. Embed the form into your website. Copy the shortcode from WPForms and paste it into a page, post, or widget where you want the form to appear. Preview the page to ensure the form is displayed correctly. 7. Test the form by filling it out and submitting it. Check your Mailchimp list to confirm that the email was successfully added. If everything works, your WPForms is now fully connected to Mailchimp.